Welcome back. There is a beautiful quote which states that happiness is a direction, not a place. We all know that when we are aligned with the direction, we are more happy. We are able to produce more. We are able to generate more. The same phenomena happens with the solar panels also. Solar panels do seek the right direction also. In this particular segment, we will review a very important aspect of designing of solar plant, which is related to the right direction. The question for this segment is, in which directions my panel should face so that they produce the maximum power, they generate the maximum power. As we all know, the sun moves from east to west and remains in the south during the afternoon. This is the time when the sun is delivering the maximum irradiance. Due to this, it is natural to keep the panels in the south facing direction so that they get the maximum irradiance during the day. The choice of keeping the direction as south is available in RCC rooftop, as the panels can be aligned to the south direction, but sometimes this choice is limited due to the position of the building. Let us take an example. A tin shed building, which you can see on the left hand side of the screen. In this case, solar panels are mounted on the metallic roof in a flush manner. The building is oriented in east and west direction. The bottom side here is the front, which is facing north. Now in this particular case, the orientation of the panels on the left side is east facing, whereas orientations of the panels on the right is west facing. So for this particular building, panels will be facing east and west. The image of the right hand side depicts a flat RCC rooftop. Here you can see that panels are facing the true south direction because there was a flexibility to install the panels in such a way. It is advisable to install the panels in the south facing direction, but when the true south direction is not available, in that case there is no harm in putting the panels in the east-west direction also. We will see the case studies for these cases in the later segment. I hope this segment brought clarity for the direction of the solar panels. Before jumping into the next segment, I would also like to share a quote of the Lord Buddha here, which states that if we are facing in the right direction, we should keep moving, keep walking. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's move to the next segment.